the candidates. Joining us with Abdul Bashir is Madhavi Lata, the candidate from the Bharatiya Janata Party, facing off with Asaduddin Owaisi.
How are you feeling today?
I'm pretty excited. I'm very happy. And I'm with the same spirit of winning. There is no a bit of discouragement anywhere. Because independent or in spite of whatever has happened on May 13th, my voters have been very truthful. Entire voters have been very nice. And I'm really thankful to them. And any kind of injustice happens at the end of the day, I would still stand for my voters and fight for justice.
Madam, today you've come to the temple early morning. We have seen during the election day also, before you vote, you visited temple. What did you pray today?
I prayed that the justice should prevail. I prayed that, the voters of the entire nation should get what they deserve. And 400 Par should happen. And Modi ji's Sarkar should come back. And Hyderabad should be one of that.
Your fight is not that easy, madam. On the election day, we have seen cases were registered. Today, again, you're going to the counting centers and all. What are you expecting? Will there be, again, the same scenario that was created the same day?
Today, we are going to see, in spite of all those discrepancies, in spite of all those injustice done to us, today we're going to see the power of voter. So we're going to wait to see the power of voter.
Whether win or lose, what would be your message today, madam?
If we win, any case, we know what to do next. And if God forbid anything happens, we are going to see that by this year. And we are going to win again, because I'm not going to leave this. I will go to the law of this land and go to question for all the discrepancies that have happened. But I'm not going to leave Hyderabad's seat.
And joining me from Hyderabad is also my colleague Apurva. Very good morning, Apurva. Telangana, as per the exit poll, not according to script for the opposition. What does it look like this morning?
Well, Preeti, it's quite interesting because, the numbers on ground definitely will show us what is going to be the ground reality. Remember, it's not just a triple fight that is either between the Congress, the BJP or the BRS, but rather a two-pronged fight that we're seeing this time in Telangana, much like, much in contrast to last time, just a couple of months back in Assembly. Now in the Lok Sabha, we're seeing that this fight is going to be between the Congress and the BJP. BRS, whoever were the leaders there, they had, after the loss that they had faced, they had jumped ship to either the Congress or the BJP, and that's what is reflecting on these numbers that will be coming out today as well. The Congress on one side is quite confident that they are going to get seats in double digit, and so does the BJP as well. They're saying 11 to 12 seats is what we are expecting, is what the BJP is seeing. We saw BJP's candidate there, Madhavi Lata, who is contesting against Asaduddin Owaisi for the Hyderabad constituency there. She had come out, she'd been quite confident there in stating that, we are going to win in large numbers, and 400 Par is what is our message that we're hoping for. That's what she's also said. She just gotten her morning prayers there at a temple here in Hyderabad, following which she has now, said a message saying that it's going to be a victory definitely. So all eyes there on the BJP. How many seats will they make here in Hyderabad and in Telangana, especially now with already 4 MPs that they have in their hand? Is it going to be, 6 more plus or minus? That's something that we'll have to wait and watch for, Preeti.